explain in simple terms, NARF is a club that was created by a couple of seniors early in this year to basically do things that most people would think different. Okay, now I know most seniors have heard of us and we've got a bad reputation. Because our first original name, if you see NARF in capital letters, it was Nerds Are Really Fun. Yeah. Okay, well, our first teacher sponsor changed his name to, and I say this to most people, and they give me like a little face and like, what? Nebulous Abstract Reality Federation. Yeah. I say that to most people and they're like, huh? Then I gotta tell them, Nerds Are Really Fun. Oh! Okay. Okay, so what we did was, for senior class night, we decided to pull together and do a little skit. It's NARF class syndication based on the Star Trek series. Okay. So, now that I explained to you what NARF is, sort of, I'm going to give you what we like to call NARF Trek, the last syndication.
Oh my gosh.
Starting 3982.67983321. We've been on a geological mission, and we're going on another geological mission in the Beta Quadrant. We're now manned by a skeleton crew. As you can see, we don't have very many. Well, we're now on route to the Beta Quadrant. Sir, we're receiving a distress signal. An alien vessel is destroying Federation outposts along the neutral zone. Where? I have not lost contact with all but one of the outposts. With one? The only one landed in, oh my God, the Sigma Delta Lambda Lambda Mu 2, sir. Delta Lambda Mu 2? They are requesting immediate assistance. Tell them the tower is on the way. Spot, distance to the outpost. Okay, shut up. Land towards the outpost. All right, sir. How long until we get there? Thank you. Lay in the course. Can you get there?
All right, Captain. I have a problem with the work field density and antimatter and antimatter work field changing things. I can't have full work drying.
Give me what you can then. Problem. Jim, can you tell me what's going on here? Hey, and what have I told you about you guys? If you don't see, you know that you're going to be as big as Scotty and as ugly as that pointed-eared, green-blooded Vulcan devil over there. Fine, you earlobe impaired, half plant Vulcan American. Now can you tell me why we're zipping along at such breakneck speed? Let's throw that away. Sigma Delta Come here. But Jim, I'm a doctor, not a friendly friend who provides you those feelings with. I want to wring the necks of those inhuman aliens that's been destroying those outposts. My brother was on one of those outposts, Bubba. They killed my brother! They killed my brother! Jim, let's go ahead and tread you heavily, then you'll leave me alone. I'm a doctor, not a doctor.
There he is.
We're picking up a ship on our sensors, Commander. They're arming weapons, sir. Red alert. I'm sending out friendly signals on all channels, Commander. There's no response. What is the remaining diesel going on here? There's none inside. Keep firing at us, sir! Range still! Aye, sir! You're not Captain! Fire weapons! Sir, we don't have any weapons. Evasive maneuver! Aye, sir! Captain, I'm giving you a shot! Oh! Jim, what's going on here? I'm in sick bed trying to form a gastrology on the side of your head. I'm an actor, not a doctor.
What? Oh my gosh.
There's something being over from the alien ship. Find it. Dismembering, terrorism, spaceship hijacking, and radiator repair. I'm an army of evildoers to do my evil. And as you've just seen, I've taken over the area along the neutral zone. And now I possess the greatest piece of flying metal ever in my greedy little hand. You inhuman slime! You buckethead! 16 stones to break my bones, but the man who never hurt me, Brian Dark.
What is this?
Call 911! And now I shall release my most ferocious monster ever into your ship. He has destroyed worlds, and now you're Judy's ship.
Oh my gosh.
So you have destroyed my evil monster, but I will not be so easily defeated, for I am Dark Bucket. Not in this universe, pal. In this universe, there can only be one.
What do you think?
But I will not be so easily defeated next time. You have not seen the last of Dark Bucket. Take him, please!
Hi, Robbie.
Receiving another stress call, sir. From where? My goodness, sir, I don't know. It's from the Pi Alpha Omega Mu 4 sector. Pi Alpha Omega Mu 4 sector.
What is this?
so our curtains closed, but not hard enough. Our God in heaven and the enterprise goes about doing what it has always done before, to boldly go where no man has gone before.